it so far?
Beautiful.
We barely made it.
Barely made it up this summer.
We're all the way down there. 1,700 feet.
The snow over there on this area. It's a beautiful scenery. Waterfall trail. Myrtle Falls that way. Reflection Lakes. 3.6 miles. Alright. That sun's getting bright. Yep.
You okay?
Yep.
Like I said, 1,700 feet.
The first half mile.
First half mile.
Yep. We made it. 50 yards. All right, we've come up a long ways.
Not a long ways, but very steep.
Very steep. It's hard to see on the camera.
Lots of elevation all at once.
All at once.
And I'm getting sick to my stomach.
Yep. We didn't even picture this because we stayed at this elevation a little higher all summer. But they shot us straight up, didn't they?
Right up, right from the beginning.
Right from the get-go.
Straight up.
Yeah. That's our next little bit. It curves and goes up. We're thinking at the top of this is going to plateau.
I want to make it so bad.
You are going to make it, right?
Slow roll.
It's a slow go. Okay. Look at that buck. Sorry if you guys can't see it. There's two of them. Go up there and I'll bring your sticks to you. Yeah. Get up there and get a picture. Hi. A couple bucks right there. That's up in this little clearing.
Oh, cool. Not gonna fit in
there. No, blacktail.
Oh, okay.
Look at that one's coming right up to the trail. It's right here by these pine trees.
That's awesome.
Good eye. And they don't care for people, huh?
I didn't see it. She did up there. She's the photographer.
Huh.
Do you see the other one by the Christmas trees?
And they're not afraid of people.
Look, he's just posing for the photo.
Yeah, you guys need to get up there if you got a camera. Get some pictures. Did you make this hill?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can do it.
You can do it now.
I can do it. Thank you, Jesus, for
Giving you
For-
wildlife.
giving me wildlife and forgetting about my. Honestly.
I think Kimmy's been to the Yankee Fort Dredge. Bonanza, Idaho. That's a must-see too, isn't it? But not till next summer. There's frost on the ground here. Well, I, for one, hope we make it to the top and go down the other way. I don't know how my knees would fare coming down this trail.
No.
Back down, I'd be walking backwards. Oh, look at the people up on the hill. They're getting to the clearings. More hills. It's getting beautiful. We've made it. Can I sit down for a minute? How did the hill we get to climb? You guys, everybody root her on. Root us on. We can do her. It's filming you next to Mount Rainier. Conquering it. This is the Roundy Trail, right? Yep. And look at that view.
It's beautiful.
Most people come, they don't get to see it. Because it's under the clouds. We've seen it quite a few days. Here's your view, I guess. Must be always a halo around this thing. What did we see while we were here? Why the people were gone?
Black bear?
How many?
3.
3. A mama and a cub and what appeared to be a boar down there. Steps are a little hard, but definitely easier on my knees. Yep.
There's bears.
Can we see it?
Yeah, right down.
Let's start across. You can just look down into the meadow. It's down.
Point.
So bad I can't see anything.
Okay, right.
Is that little
See,
black right
that
there?
black, and there be a littler black is the baby.
Okay. You see it? There's a,
Yeah.
where's the mama?
There's a big sow that went down that way.
That
yeah,
one's,
he's down
yeah,
there.
he's way down the bottom. You can see him down there. Right down this way.
Cool.
Yeah, I see the black dot way down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, on this side of that tree.
Uh-huh.
Big rock.
Go up there. I can see it right there. We're not moving. Yeah, I see the one down there right here, babe.
Look at them stairs. You ready for it? Yeah, we gotta go way up that mountain up there before we start working our way down. All right, see you later, Black Bear. Yeah, we got another hill to climb. Then we'll go down. That's the summit up there. Happy. See where there's 500 people up there. I believe that's the summit. We can do her. We come this far. Onward. Onward, Christian soldiers. Almost there, honey. Almost there. Panoramic, that's halfway. that what you said? Okay.
That's the top, is 6,800 feet.
Okay. We're going for it, people. We're going for it. Might have to eat something when we get up there. Hot water. Might have to eat some glacier snow. Let's go up here and look. And I'm happy you've seen a bear.